Caravan Boxing Stable, Cagayan de Oro City. Ladies and gentlemen, James Pagaling. Pagaling. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 115 pounds. He has a record of 9 wins, no loss. 6 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Peñalosa Boxing Stable, Libis, Quezon City. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenneth Llover. Llover.
Obey my commands at all times. Protect yourself at all times. Dutch loves. Good luck.
Philippine the Bantamweight Championship. Pareho po silang wala. Llover 9-0 ang record niya with 6 knockouts. If knockouts, si Pagaling po turned pro back in 2019. Oh, malakas yun. 5 times. First time that he's fighting in Luzon. Si Kenneth Llover naman, active performer just like Pagaling. Siya, you see him with a red colored gloves. At si Pagaling naman wearing the, gonna be a good one. We are scheduled for 10. Llover, hands held up high. Maraming dalang pala si Kenneth Llover. Ito na. Umatake agad si Llover. Pagaling taking a lot of punishment. But he's holding on. Here comes Llover. He's looking for the kill. He's looking for an early knockout. Oh, another big left hand coming from Llover. He's penetrating the defense of Pagaling. Uppercut coming from Pagaling. Hands held high by left hand scored. Pagaling has to fight through the crowd noise.
Right. Step back.
That's it. Rakata. Here's a punch of the round. And that was a big left hand coming from Llover, and then going straight in for the kill. Pumatensa naman si Pagaling. He put Pagaling on the defensive. Kagad. Kenneth Llover cannot afford to be intimidated. Pasukin niya si Llover. Crowd. Big punch. That right jab connecting. And that's a... You see the contrast in styles. The left hand connected by Llover from close distance. And then from long distance, another left hand. Another left coming from Llover. And the jab ni Llover is a very Kenneth Llover, but he fights out of that right jab. He's found the distance, no doubt about it. Throwing that right cross was Kenneth Llover. Lead punch ni Kenneth Llover. Being very unpredictable. Di malaman ni Pagaling kung saan magagaling yung mga suntok ni Llover. Kanan ba o kaliwa? Now he's putting the pressure on Llover. Llover fighting back from against the ropes. Pagaling's got to go to the body. He's got to slow down Llover. Being away. Pagaling, the right-handed boxer.
Tasuntok.
Uno, sabi ni referee Cocosol. Right hand connected there by Llover.
Last time, seconds.
Pagaling. Another right hand connected by Llover.
10 seconds.
That's the end of round number 2. Looking very comfortable to recover. Ito makita natin mo. Beautiful right hand connected by Llover. Klarong-klaro yun. That was a clean shot. Pero hindi niya sinundan. Sayang yung pagkakataon. Round number 3. been a good one, but ito, referee Tomosol saying, let's go, let's get it on. Let's go, Camiteño. Si Loverboy is from General Trias, Cavite. Ang monitor po ni Pagaling is dynamite. Eh, hindi pa natin nakikita yung dynamite exploding in this fight. Connection there by Pagaling, a right hand that went through the defense of Llover. Now he's on the attack. He's got to move closer to find his range. I think he might have hurt Llover. It was a big right hand that connected. Solid yun. Connected with a big right hand. Llover is fighting defensively, and you don't see Llover as active. Looks like nakarecover na si Llover. Gotta be more aggressive. Hinihintay niya si Pagaling, si Llover from long distance. And Pagaling is not really on the attack. He's waiting too long for the timing. Sumusuntok. He's counter. But at this point, he's got to be more aggressive. That's the end of the round. Not the punch of the round. Palagay ko, makikita natin yung suntok ni Yun. Yung suntok ni Pagaling. And that certainly rocked before. That previous round might have gone to Pagaling on the strength of that one big right hand that he connected to the face of Llover. Lagay ko nakatingin na din si Llover ng lakas ng suntok ni Pagaling in the previous round. He's fighting a little more cautiously in this round. Opened up the door for Llover has to shoot that right hand. That's the right jab that was jabbing. Sticking off with the left hand instead of the right jab. Pagaling, ito yung sinasabi natin that he should apply pressure, be more aggressive. He's doing that right now. Left hand coming to Llover. Again, throwing the roar of the Llover. Oh! Groggy si Pagaling. He got hit by Llover. Might have lost his footing a little bit off balance. But he might have just been a little off balance. Shots in the body by both these fighters. He's still down on the canvas. There's oxygen now being administered. There will be a need for a stretcher. But let's check out what happened here. That punch of the round. One punch. Makita natin ang opening. Sabay. Sapul na sapul yun. You watch here. The opening will come up. Yun. Just when the right hand of Pagaling went down, nakita ni Llover. And, you know, we noticed that Llover abandoned his right jab. From different angle, we saw that. Just one punch, getting the job done.
The time, 2 minutes and 57 seconds in the fourth round. Winner by knockout. And the new Gab Philippine Youth Bantamweight Champion, Kenneth Llover.
And there it is, the official announcement. Kenneth Llover is the new Gab Philippine Youth Bantamweight Champion, a sensational fourth-round knockout with one punch at 2:57 of the fourth frame.